guys? Welcome back to the channel. I put on the new chain and sprockets, you guys. JT sprockets, front and back, 15 tooth up front, 38 rear. Did Xring chain, which is basically just the exact stock chain, which I like. But I noticed on yesterday's video, I didn't get a chance to talk to you guys about all the mess that I cleaned up here. So if you guys remember, I had the LED light pods and I didn't run the wires correctly. I just threw them in there. It was just a $30 kit from Amazon. And that I had them wired to the bumper, and I had all that electrical clutter underneath here. Well, all that's cleaned up. There are no more LED lights on the machine anymore. I removed all that, so you're not going to see all that clutter of the wiring and stuff like that. So, but I didn't show you guys the FCI intake. So for all you new subscribers, this machine does have the big 3 combo, as they like to call, which is power commander, intake, and exhaust setup. Over here is the brand new HMF exhaust with the painted header. I did that with the VHT 1200 degree paint. Came out really good, I think. But yeah, there she is. So new chain, all that good stuff. And we'll do another video as soon as I get my new GYTR front bumper. I know you guys are gonna wanna see that. Like, comment, subscribe as always, you guys, and we'll see you on the trail. Peace.